Hey guys, welcome back to Sinclair Garage. Today we get to start on the Jeep. I'm super excited to finally start on this thing. Get it going again, kind of make it look good. I'm not really building like an off-road rock crawler by any means, but cleaning it up. So what's going to happen, if you look, it's dirty, but I got a lot of clear coat peeling. Got some rust to deal with, a little there, and the crease. Just a little, not too bad. Like I said, a few door dings, dents, scrapes, whatever I gotta take care of. So what I'm gonna do is this kind of little series is going to be getting this thing back and up and looking good. So first things first, strip it, take everything off of it, bumpers, mirrors, door handles, locks, fenders. I'm taking everything off of it, stripping fenders, grill, hood, lights, everything. So in doing something like this, it's super important to label everything. Little baggies, label where the bolts came from. That way when you go to put together, it's that much easier to do. So we're going to strip it. I also have to do something I think is going to be a pain to do, but it has to get done, is here are some parts. These are the mounts for the body. So these are basically spot welded to the bottom of the tub, and then this is where your bolts go through, like here. Go through to hold the body to the frame. Now let me show you. On mine, they're rusty. So basically, I really can't see it that well, but right here they are. You're going to clear the length. There's a better picture. So they start up here and run clear down the length of the Jeep to the back, and they're spot welded. So what I'll have to do is get all the spot welds drilled, lift the tub up, pull these off, and put the new ones on and spot weld them back on. So that'll be fun. Which, this is a fender support, so it's going to require taking the fender off, which I'm going to do anyway, so it's not a big deal. And then get these guys replaced. That's going to be done. So I'll get those. I know there's one little spot on the floor, which is kind of between that floor support and the tub, so I'll take care of it while I'm there. So like I said, I got both of them. And when all that's done, we'll weld those new pieces back in, and then once those are welded in, then we'll really strip it. Actually, we'll probably fix the rust first. Because like I said, I'm going to fix this spot. And then these holes where the old fender flare extension was, I'm going to fill these holes, that hole. That way when it gets painted, it kind of looks clean. Get rid of those holes since I'm not using them. And then the old license plate holes will get filled, damaged, fix that. So, as you can see, have a little bit of a project starting up. I think it's gonna be fun. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while, so I'm excited to jump into it. So what we'll do first is I'll probably start by getting the fenders off. So actually, I'm probably gonna take the rear bumper off first, because that's kind of a bigger chunk. Probably do the front bumper, because that's kind of quick, easy things I can get done, and then I'll probably work on the fenders. So here we go. Alright guys, 3.5, 4 hours later, this is what we got. You'll see most of it on time lapse. Got the flares off, both bumpers. Got passenger side fender all disconnected. So we're getting there. Gotta start somewhere. So what my plans are for this, I don't know if I really explained them enough earlier. What my plans are is a repaint, which is going to happen in that garage. And what I'm going to do is probably do a couple pieces at a time, because it'll be difficult to do it all in there. So I'll probably take the doors off, and I'll do the doors and the tailgate, and then maybe I'll do the fenders and the hood, and then maybe the grill, or in some type of fashion like that. I'll take the windshield frame off because I have some rust underneath of it. So if it's fixable rust, if it's not bad, it just needs sanded and grinded and primer and stuff, I'll keep the French windshield frame. If it's too far gone, these things aren't very expensive, I'll probably be better off just to buy a new one. So we'll just see how that goes. So like I said, we'll piece it out. So windshield frame, hood, fenders, grill, tailgate, doors can all kind of be done separately in there. Like I said, I'll probably do 2 or 3 pieces at a time. Cowl also can come off. And then I'll have to do the tub, so which will just be that down the side. So I think that's a manageable way to do it in my garage, where I can build just a little plastic paint booth and get it done. Like I said, it is a Jeep, so I'm not going for perfection. It's not going to be show quality, but I'm shooting for a really nice job, so I want it to look good. The front fenders, let's get back. The front fenders, grill and hood have all been, and windshield frame have all been painted before, so I'm anticipating having to strip those down a little bit to get all that crap off of it. That way I can kind of start with a fresh base. I know the hood and grill have been painted twice. Fenders I think once, and windshield frame once. So I'll have to strip it. The plans are for paint are sticking white. I like the white. We're staying white. My hinges are going back white. I like them better white, so I'll clean them up. They'll go white again, which is stone white is the paint code. So everything will go white again, factory, just like factory. The inside of the fenders, how they're all beat up and look like crap. I believe what I might do is when I have the fenders off, I might just sand and prep the inside of them really good. I have a little tiny blaster. Maybe I'll try and blast all of the rust off. And I think I'm going to Raptor line the insides black. I'm thinking about it. The white, I mean, it looks good for a couple years, but in the salt here, it starts surface rusting. So I might Raptor line black. That's to be determined, but I think that's what I'm going to do. So the insides will get Raptor lined black. The inside of the fenders will obviously be sanded, scuffed, reshot. Not exactly sure. I contemplated doing matte color match Raptor liner. Don't know if I'm going to do that yet or not. Just thought, but I mean, at least white again. Maybe Raptor liner, which is tinted the same paint code. I thought that might be kind of a cool, durable thing to do. You can see where it's been resprayed. All this stuff will be gone. I'll clean it all up, make it look good again. All this. Basically, the years of modifying this thing and tinkering, I'm ready just to kind of go back to nice clean stock look. Not necessarily stock like, you know, no lift or anything, but just a nice clean white stock look again. I'm just kind of missing the clean look, so that's my goal. Operation Clean Jeep. So I got a few cool modifications coming for the suspension. I'm going to look into getting new front springs and rear springs. I might do a 3-inch spring. So that's just stuff that I have thinking about coming up. So stay tuned. I may do a black grill. I like the way the black grills look. I might do a black grill. It'll be something clear coated. I'm not going to do Raptor liner on it. I don't like the textured look per se on that. So I'll probably do black satin. A black with like a satin clear coat or something. We'll play with that. But other than that, I'm done talking. I'm kind of done working for the day. Here's the beginning. part 1 of stripping it down. So thanks for hanging out. Keep tuned for this. I don't really have anything Mustang planned or any boat planned. I mean, all that stuff's kind of going fine. So we'll do a little bit of body work. I'm by no means an expert, so we'll kind of learn together. But I'm excited, so stay tuned. And if you like this project, just kind of like, subscribe to my channel, and we'll get this going. See you guys. Thanks.